Hi children, happy to see you all. This is Sandhya from Bharati Dasal Matriculation Higher Secondary School, going to teach 5th standard maths second lesson. What is the second lesson name? Yeah, very good. Our second lesson name is operations on large numbers. In maths, we have 4 operations is there, right? The first one is addition, the second one is subtraction, the third one is multiplication, and the fourth one is division. This fully we completed, and today we are going to see the topic is patterns. Today we are going to see the topic is patterns. Listen children, what is mean by patterns? It is very easy for you, just you listen. The combination of sequence and the series that repeats is called the patterns. The combination of sequence and the series that repeats is called the patterns. So first we are going to write what is mean by patterns. So patterns means the combinations of sequence, S-E-Q-U-E-N-C-E. The combination of sequence and series. So series, S-E-R-I-E-S. The combination of sequence and the series that repeats is called the patterns. Is called the patterns. P-A-T-T-E-R-N-S. So listen children, what is mean by sequence and what is mean by series? So sequence means the list of object that comes before, after. So the comma values. Listen here. So here they given sequence and a series. Now I am going to write the example about the sequence and the series. So sequence means the list of object that comes before, after, and other member is called the sequence. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4. It will be goes on. So this is called as sequence. And next one is series. So series means the sum of the sequence is called the series. The next one is series. The sum of the sequence is called the series. Now you take 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. Okay. So this is called the series. And first one 1, 2, 3, 4 is called the sequence, and 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 are called the series. So today's our first topic is write 3 more terms of the following patterns. Okay, listen the question 1, 8, 27, 64. So listen carefully. First you are going to take 1, that is 1 cube. Next you will take 2. Okay, so write the numbers continuously 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now we are going to write the cube. Cube means that number you should multiply by 3 times. Okay, so take cube, 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 cube. Now you take 1 and multiply by 3 times. 1 into 1, 1. Again 1 into 1, 1. Next you will take 2. So 2 taken multiply by 3 times. Take 2 into 2 into 2. So what is the answer? 2 2s are 4 and 4 2s are 8. So the answer is 8. Already they are given. 8. Next you will take 3. Take 3 and multiply by 3 times. 3 into 3 into 3. Okay. 3 3s are 9 and 9 3s are 27. Next you will take 4 and multiply by 3 times. 4 into 4 into 4. Okay. So take 4 into 4 into 4. So what is the answer? 4 4s are 16. 16 4s are 64. 4 4s are 16 and 16 4s are 64. And next we are going to take 5 cube. Take 5 and multiply by 3 times. Take 5, multiply by 5 and 5. So here 5 5s are 25. Now you take 25 and multiply by 5. 25 and multiply by 5. Now tell me Krish, what is the answer? 25 5s are. First you will take 5 and multiply by 5. 5 5s are 25. So write 5 under the ones column and carry over to the tens column. Next you are going to take 5 2s are 10. Keep 10 in the mind, 2 in the finger, 10 after, 11, 12. So the answer is 125. 125. Now we are going to write the answer 125. Next you will take a 6 cube. 6 cube means take a 6 and multiply by 3 times. Take 6 into 6 into 6. Listen children, 6 6 are 36. Now you take a 36 and multiply by 6. 36 and multiply by 6. Now tell me Kiran, what is the answer? 6 6 are. Very good. 6 6 are 36. Put 6 and 3. Next you will take a 6 3s are. 6 3s are 18. Keep 18 in the mind, 3 in the finger. So 18 after, 19, 20, 21. So the answer is 216. What is the answer? The answer is 216. So write the answer here, 216. Next you will take a 7 cube. So first you take and multiply 7 into 7 into 7. So first 7 7s are 49. Listen children, take a 7 into 7 into 7. Here 7 7s are 49. 49 multiplied by 7. 49 multiplied by 7. Now you take 7 and multiply by 9. What is the answer? 7 9s are? Very good. 7 9s are 63. 3 carry 6. Next you will take 7 4s are. So 7 4s are 28. Keep 28 in the mind, 6 in the finger. 28 after, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. So write the answer 343. So 7 cube, the answer is 343. Next listen children. Next question is 1, 12, 23, 34. First you take 1. What number should we use to add 1 to get the answer 12? Very good. 11. So 11 add panna, you are getting the answer is 12. Again you should add 11 here. Here to add 11. First 11 and here to add 11 and here add 11 and here to add 11. So each and every number you should add 11 means you are getting the answer. So here add 11, 11 and 11. So the first one is 1 plus 11, the answer is 12. The next one is 12 plus 11, the answer is 23. The next one is 23 plus 11, the answer is 34. Next you take 34 plus 11. So keep 4 in the mind, 1 in the finger, the answer is 5. So the answer is 45. Next you will take 5 plus 1, the answer is 6. 4 plus 1, the answer is 5. Next you will take a 6 plus 1, the answer is 7. 5 plus 1, the answer is 6. So our next question is observe the pattern and fill in the blanks. Observe the pattern and fill in the blanks. 9 into 9 plus 7. So take 9 9s are 81 plus 7, the answer is 88. Otherwise you will see and say the answer. It is very easy for you. Listen. So listen here, the first number is 9 and 98, 987. It will given the backward order 9, 98, 987. Next 9876. The next number is 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. So everyone clear this? The first one is 9. The second one is 9, 8 backward number. The third one is 9, 8, 7. The fourth one is 9, 8, 7, 6. And the fifth one is 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Next you will see 9, 9 multiply by 9, 9, 9. Next they given addition. Next they given the numbers, natural numbers 7, 6, 5, 4. So 4 before number what number? Yeah, 3. So write here 3. The final answer is the first one is 88, 2 times of 8. The second one is 3 times of 8. The fourth one is 4 times of 8. And the fifth one is write 5 times of 8. 2, 3, 4, 5. So if you multiply and add means you are getting the answer this one. Okay. Listen children, our next topic is complete the following magic square using only 2 to 10 but don't repeat the number. Okay. So before going to this one, I will explain this one. Listen here. 8, 1, 6, 3, 5, 7, 4, 9, 8. So if you add means you got the answer is 50. 8 plus 1, 9. Keep 9 in the mind, 6 in the finger. The answer is 15. So in the side add panneenalo, you are getting the answer is 15. That is diagonals are seri, row wise and column wise. In the side add panneenalo, you are getting the answer is 15. Now we are going to find this one answer. Okay. So already here they are given 9 plus 2 plus 7. So what is the answer? Keep 9 in the mind, 2 in the finger. The answer is 11. 11 plus 7, the answer is 18. Okay. So you should find this fully. So what number you should add 9 to get the answer 18? Very good. 5 and 4. What is that? 5 and 4. Take 5 plus 4. Keep 5 in the mind, 4 in the finger. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9. Next you see the second column. Here the second column is 2 we have. So what number should be used to 2 and to get the answer 18? Yeah, 10 and 6. 10 and 6. Now you take a 10 in the mind, 6 in the finger. The answer is 16 and 16 plus 2 the answer is 18. Next you take the third column. Here the third column the value is 7. So add 2 number. What number that is? 3 and 8. 3 and 8. So listen children, this is magic square. In this magic square, you should use only 2 and 10 but don't repeat the number. So enna panninalo row wise, column wise and diagonal wise, you are getting the answer is 18. So listen here, 5 plus 10 plus 3, 18. Next one, 4 plus 6 plus 8, 18. 9 plus 2 plus 7, the answer is 18. And column wise, 5 plus 4 plus 9, 10 plus 6 plus 2 and 3 plus 8 plus 7 and then diagonals. So this is diagonals 5, 6, 7 and then next one is 3, 6, 9. 3, 6, 9. So the answer 18. Yeah. Next we will see in each of the following supply the missing numbers. The question is 2, 6, 14, 30 and finally you should find the last one answer. Okay. So listen children. What is the difference between 2 and 6? Yeah. What is the difference between 2 and 6? That is 4. Take 6 minus 2. The answer is 4. So now you take the answer and multiply by 2. Each difference you should multiply by 2. So that is 4 2s are 8. What is that? 4 2s are, each difference you should multiply by 2, that is 4 2s are 8. Now you take 8 and then add 6. So what is the answer? 6 plus 8, the answer is 14. 6 plus 8, the answer is 14. Now you take, so here we got the answer 14. Now you take 14 minus 6. Now what is the difference between 14 minus 6? Take 14 minus 6. The answer is 8. What is the answer? 8. So already I said you, each difference you should multiply by 2. Okay. So take 8 2s are 16. 8 2s are 16. Now you take 14 and 16. Now you take 14 and 16. Add panninga, now you are getting the answer is 30. Again you will take 14 and 30. So what is the difference between 14 and 30? Take 30 minus 14. The answer is 16. Take 30 minus 14. The answer is 16. Now in this difference you should multiply by 2. Take a 16 multiply by 2. 16 2s are 32. 16 2s are 32. Now you take a 30 plus 32. 30 plus 32. The final answer is 62. The final answer is 62. So today's our final question is, listen here. 1, 3, 4, 2, 3, 6, 5, 8, 10. Listen children, if we add two numbers, first we will take 1 and a 3. First we will take 1 and a 3. So what is the answer? 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3, the answer is 4. 1 plus 3, the answer is 4. The next step is always the sum we get should be subtracted with 1. So take 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1, the answer is 3. So listen children, take 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3, the answer is 4. Okay, now 4 minus 1, the answer we got 3. So this is the next answer. Next we will take a 3 plus 4. So what is the answer? 3 plus 4. Keep 3 in the mind, 4 in the finger. So the answer is 7. Take a 7 minus 1. So 7 minus 1, the answer is 6. Next we will take 4 plus 2. So 4 plus 2, the answer is 6. 6 minus 1, the answer is 5. Next we will take this two number, 6 and 3. Keep 6 in the mind, 3 in the finger. The answer is 9. 9 minus 1. So the final answer is 8. Next we will take a 6 plus 5. Keep 6 in the mind, 5 in the finger. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So take 11 minus 1. The answer is 10. And finally you take 10 minus 10 plus 8. 10 plus 8. So what is the answer? 10 plus 8. 10 plus 8 equal to 18. Now we are going to subtract 1. So 18 minus 1, the answer is 17. So the final answer is 17. So have you understood this topic? Very good. In this section you have learned patterns related problems. Okay, in this before sections and now you have learned addition, subtraction, multiplication and division related problem. Today itself we completed second lesson. In this below description we have attached study material, question bank and then assessment work. So my dear students, do all the exercise problem. If you have any doubt, just go through this video. Thank you my dear students. We will see in next section new lesson. Okay.